Welcome to the Chiefs Arena match preview time. Zesco nil, Kaizer Chiefs 1. It's a big win. Our first 3 points in this group stages, which takes us to 4 points level with Zamalek, who have a game in hand. They are playing against Al Masri at 9 o'clock. So let's hope for a draw in that one. But either way, we are still alive. We still have 2 home games in the return legs and 1 away to Zamalek, which is going to be a very, very difficult game. But this win definitely keeps us alive in the competition. We should win our home games. If we win our home games, then we stand a really, really good chance. It wasn't a great game. It wasn't a great game to watch. I think Zesco they are dog shit. They are so poor. The pitch was not so great. It was a physical game, and what I liked is we didn't let them bully us. We were also physical, so that's what I was impressed about mostly about our team in this game. From a technical perspective, it wasn't a great game, as I said. The pitch played a really, really huge role in that, but Zesco, they were the home team. They can't even string 5 passes. They are a very, very poor team. We should beat them 3-0 at home. This is a team we should beat 3-0. Everyone is going to beat them. This was their third defeat in 3 games. So everyone is going to take points away from them. So we should beat them at home by many goals, because goal difference may also play a part. So we definitely should beat them at home. There's no much to talk about, man, from this game. There's no much. Both teams didn't create many good chances. I don't remember us creating a good chance. Even the goal we scored, it was from a corner kick. Flavio Silva hits the post, comes back to Pulemo, the right place at the right time. It's a goal. On their side, they also created nothing. They were just taking some over ambitious shot from 30, 20, 25 yards out, and they weren't even hitting the target. The only time I got a bit scared was, I think it was in the last 5 minutes, where they played a through ball and Peterson was quick enough to reach the ball. So it was a boring game, but we take the 3 points, which keeps us alive in this group. Let's see what happens at 9, Al Masry versus Zamalek. Then next week we are back again. So it's a good win. It's a big win, not a good win performance wise and whatever. The 3 points is the only thing we can take away from this game. But as I said, I was impressed about our physicality. We were never bullied. We didn't let them bully us. We fought back. That's what I liked about this performance. But make sure you smash a like. Let me know your thoughts down on the comment section. I'm out.